G'day, and welcome to Currencies Direct weekly podcast for Monday, the 1st of March. After what was a promising start to the month of Feb, turned into a rather disappointing display for the local unit. Just like a Springbok player breaking the line of defense, the rand broke below support at 14.50 against the US dollar and went on to reach its strongest level of the year at 14.40 on Wednesday. The joy was short-lived though, after somewhat of a hospital pass, which saw the local unit end the week nearly 3% weaker. Last week's highlights saw Finance Minister Tito Mboweni announce National Treasury's 2021 budget. Mboweni took to the podium without his beloved Aloe Ferox to deliver a very sobering speech without the usual fynbos analogy. The budget deficit for 2020 was revised down by 1.7% of GDP, as SARS expected revenue collection improved by 99 billion rands. Albeit an improvement, it is still a far cry from the expected deficit of 6.8% of GDP announced in his budget speech last year. Mboweni underlined the importance of narrowing the budget deficit and avoiding a sovereign debt crisis. He also highlighted the priorities, which include COVID-19 vaccine program, economic recovery, economic growth, debt, as well as electricity supply. All appear to be going to plan for the Rainbow Nation, as the rand touched 14.40 during the minister's speech before being struck by a global bond sell-off. A decrease in risk appetite saw the rand take a knock as investors ramped up their investment into sectors likely to profit from a post-pandemic world. The result saw the rand and other EM currencies lose ground to the majors. Once again, a stark reminder that the rand's fate is largely in the hands of those with deeper pockets. Staying on local shores, the nation was handed a boost by the president's family meeting last night. Ramaphosa announced that the country would move to level 1 lockdown almost a year after the first COVID-19 case. As South Africa moves one step closer to normality, Ramaphosa confirmed that the country have secured a further 11 million doses from Johnson & Johnson to add to our already 32 million. Elsewhere, the US House of Representatives have passed President Biden's $1.9 trillion stimulus bill. With the Democrats now controlling the House and Senate, the bill should now pass the Senate without any real hiccups. That's it for this week's edition. If you'd like to chat about any of your currency requirements, please get in touch with us on 021 418 0105. For Currencies Direct Weekly Podcast, my name is Justin Ludovec.